Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to make your profile private on Codecademy account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on enter. You will be directed to official page of Codecademy. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now at the top navigation bar under your profile section, click on it. Then you will see a profile option. Click on that profile option. Now at the left hand side of your screen, you will see your profile and click on edit profile button. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Under the privacy section, you can see your profile is public now. To make it private, you will need to click on Only Me button here. You can also make it so that only Codecademy users can view your profile by clicking on this button. You can also change your name to private or public. Click on Only Me here to make a name private. After that, click on Save Changes button to save the changes you have made. So that is how you can make your profile and name private on Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.